pinakamahirap na sigurong bahagi ng trabaho bilang isang sundalo ang mawalay sa pamilya at magserbisyo sa malalayong lugar. August 12, 2025. First Lieutenant Marky John Alberto accepted another life-threatening mission in Baco Oriental, Mindoro with the Elite Scout Rangers. This time, mas mapanganib.
Did you feel something was off or was it just a normal day?
Meron na, nung umaga, nung I received a call from his commander, doon na yung kaba ko. Every time na tumatawag yung commander niya noon na nagkakaroon ako ng kaba lagi. Kasi first time niya wounded, ganun din.
As a general, he is used to losing men under his command in the line of duty. Pero iba ang tama kapag sariling anak ang nawala.
I miss him every day. I wish I could see him. But siguro balang araw, maybe we'll see each other again. Hopefully in a better place.
Sa digmaan, hindi lahat ng laban natatapos sa putukan. There are wounds that you don't always see. Para sa isang sundalo, bahagi ito ng tungkulin. Pero para sa isang ama, ibang laban na ito.
Before that incident, sir, of Marky that took his life, do you remember his last words to you? Before that, bago siya na-deploy sa moment na yun?
Nung na-deploy na siya, every time na tinetext ko siya, I kept checking on him. Tapos, yun na. The night before, I messaged him, kamusta ka na dyan? Tapos sabi niya, may lakad sila, may jump po. Sumagot siya, madaling araw na eh. Hindi ko na nabasa. Umaga na, nangyari na yun, yung insidente.